Doing? Yeah, sorry about that. I had something open, but I wanted to review this new project. It's called the Red Pill DAO, and I know a lot of DAOs have performed horribly, and they weren't able to recover, and they literally went to zero. So this DAO does say they're going to have their liquidity locked for 100 years. And they're going to have something called a jump program where you'll be able, once a month, you'll be able to buy their bonds at a discount. And they're going to have, it says, astronomically yet sustainable annual percentage yield. So they're saying that they've found a way to make this DAO financial model sustainable. So, that remains to be seen. So, first of its kind, FOMO, fan-based home organization. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but anyway, I guess their coin is going to be TRP, and it's going to start at $2. If you hear noise in the background, I live by a busy street, so I'm sorry about that. And the APY is big, 30% for 5 days. They have a countdown. It's almost about 5 hours from now, so 4 hours and 53 minutes. I just found out about this project about an hour or two ago, and I wanted to make a video. It'll be a fair launch, so they're not going to have initial coin offering, so you'll be buying it as soon as it launches. They did have an incident where someone got hold of the contract and they started buying the coin before they even launched, and they actually refunded all their money. They showed all the transactions to make it so that it was transparent to everybody that they refunded everybody their money. So that pretty much tells you something about their team, that they're kind of honest in some way. Obviously, nobody knows them personally, but actions do speak louder than words, and that is something that is that's a nice thing that they did. So anyway, just wanted to show you countdown to the fair launch on Sunday, 16th January 2012. So it's like midnight basically, and that's Pacific Standard Time, yeah. So that's kind of like if you live like by California or Seattle or Oregon on the Pacific coast, west coast of the United States, or I'm in the United States, so that's where I relate to that time zone. And I don't know who else is in that time zone. But yeah, if you want to get in on this, you can. Um, Also, this is not financial advice. This is a very risky project, probably the DAOs, because it's going to be new, and we don't know if it will perform well. Of course, you probably always hope that, but yeah. So I just wanted to let you know about this project. If you're interested, join their Telegram, or is it Telegram? Yeah, they have Telegram, Twitter, and this is the redpilldao.com is their website. And that was all. Hopefully, if you're interested, you can go check them out and see if that's something you want to do. One thing that one YouTuber said is, usually they start out good, but then you have to watch it to see if they perform well. If it's not doing good, I don't recommend staying in there and losing all your money. But if they're steady and they're doing good and you feel comfortable with it, then hey, it might be something you're into. So I just wanted to bring that to you just in case this is a new project, and just in case you're interested. And if you like this content, Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye-bye.